Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to convert JPG to XML in a simple and easy way, so you can turn your image file into an XML format without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to the search bar at the top and type Changi file JPG to XML and press enter to access the official conversion website. This website is an online tool that helps you convert files from one format to another without installing any software, which makes the process quick and convenient. Step 2. Once the website loads, look for the Add File button on the main page and click on it to open your File Explorer window. Browse through your folders, select the JPG file you want to convert, and click Open, because choosing the correct file is important to ensure the right image gets converted into XML format. Step 3. After your JPG file is uploaded to the site, click on the Convert button to begin the conversion process. This step is where the tool changes your image file into an XML file format, which is often used for storing and transporting structured data. Step 4. When the conversion is finished, you will see a download button appear on the screen. So click on it to save the newly created XML file to your computer. Make sure to choose a location where you can easily find the file later for editing, sharing, or further use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.